Parody videos are a fun way of putting a new spin on something old. They allow for individual creativity and self-expression, which is why I'm asking you, as my students, to create your own parody video to describe yourself. Now you may ask, why create a parody video? Well, for example, I could say, Coach Dal loves turtlenecks, as I'm wearing one. And I could show that I love turtlenecks through a picture of me wearing a bunch of turtlenecks. Or I could show you that I own a billion turtlenecks, because I do. See? And this isn't even all of them. But I want you to create your own personal parody video that describes you in the way that you choose. I want you to be creative and just have fun with it. So to do this, I want you to first pick the topic that you want your video to be about, and then find a song or some other art form that you can use to make your parody about, to recreate and put your own creative spin on it, and then put it together and make your own fun, creative parody video. Here's an example parody video that I made a couple years ago. Every Christmas I like to do a 12 days of turtlenecks kind of Christmas tradition, and so I make a video to show all the turtlenecks that I wear, and I create a song for it. So here you go. On the 12th day of turtlenecks, the one I wore on me, black and white stripes, long, white and loose, strings of festive lights, tan, thick and knitted, salt and pepper colored white, with the sweater DI floral pattern stripes from the 90s. Short sleeves black and flowy, dark red polyester, 2 shades of gray, and a purple one with long sleeves. Well, that's just my example, and I can't wait to see yours.